Welcome to Duchesse II. This 2001 Catana 472. Catanas are renowned for their ocean-going and sailing performance, and that's certainly the case with Duchesse II. With her dagger boards, electric winches, and a displacement of only 8.9 tons, she's ready to take you, your friends, and your family on your next adventure. Join me as we make our way through the boat. One of the great features on this boat is this large opening cockpit window, which connects the cockpit with the galley and the saloon. Whether you're at the helm station, in the cockpit, at the galley, or in the saloon, you're connected, and that's a great feature when cruising short-handed or with kids. Just inside the saloon, another great feature on this boat is the dedicated nav station. This boat's fully equipped with everything you might need for long-range cruising, including auto helm, VHF, a Simrad chart plotter, SSB, AIS, and radar. One of the most important things when you're long-range cruising is often storage space, and this boat has that in abundance, with plenty of hanging space and shelf space for everything you may need on your adventures. The best thing about this boat being an owner's version is the large space in the owner's side of the hull. This includes a washing machine and a large bathroom, making extended cruising much more comfortable. Aft accommodation on the port side includes this versatile cabin, which can be set up as twin single bunks or as a queen. Port side accommodations in this boat include this wonderful guest cabin in the bow section. This includes a desk and additional storage space outside. If you'd like some more information or to organise a viewing, please get in touch. My email is peter.austin@yachtsalesco.com.